Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex from Fitment Industries, and today we're going to be talking to you about 5 things that you didn't know about Eibach Suspension. So let's go. So the first thing that you may not know is Eibach has actually been around longer than you think. In fact, they were founded in 1951. It's a second generation family-owned business with the third generation already coming on board to take the mantle when the second generation chooses to retire, which is pretty cool considering how big Eibach actually is. The second thing that you may not know is Eibach is in all forms of automotive sport. So DTCC, World Rally, NASCAR, Formula One, Eibach is a part of it all. In fact, they're probably the biggest partner in NASCAR and Formula One right now. So everybody associates Eibach with entry level, but they're pretty much everywhere. The third thing that you didn't know about Eibach is that they really weren't involved in car suspension until 1975. And they partnered with a company that you wouldn't really guess. AMG. Because AMG needed low production suspension components, Eibach was the only company pretty much close to them that could do it in comparison to large other factories. Once they got partnered up with AMG in around 1975, the rest is history, and Eibach blew up. The fourth thing that you may not know about Eibach is that they have a huge presence in the world. They're actually probably considered the world market leader in suspension components. They have 3 factories, one right here in the USA. They have over 500 employees, and they do business in over 80 countries. Eibach is absolutely massive. In fact, they're probably considered the largest suspension company in the world, and probably for good reason. They've existed for so long and they make so many different products. And the fifth and final thing that you may not know is Eibach makes a whole hell of a lot more than just springs. They make lowering kits, suspension components, they make sway bars, they make polyurethane bushings, and everything in between. So if you're looking to get some suspension components without breaking the bank, Eibach is definitely the way to go. So that's 5 things that you may not have known about Eibach. We hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're up to almost about 50,000. That's the goal. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. But I'm Alex from Fitment Industries. We'll see you later. Peace.